Good morning, students, and today we are going to study the chapter that is the essays that made trees bloom, and this is the very second part of this chapter we will discuss in this video. The dog is supposed to be very sympathetic, very passionate, very kind hearted towards this couple, and they too loved. They also treated with the dog not as animals but they treated as human beings. And you know that animals also understands the way we behave, the way we treat, the way we just have our activity towards them. They understand. It's another matter that they don't communicate and convey that whether they are satisfied or not, but they understand each and everything, but they cannot tell. They don't have the way of communication, the method of communication, but they understand each and everything, whether it is love or it is hatred or it is passion or it is kindness, everything they understand. So here in this story we also find that the dog understands very well that how much love their his master has towards him, how beautiful life is being provided to this and animal. So here, never harming the white heron that walked in the footstep of the old man to pick up the worms. Here the dog supposed to be very harmless, so kind, that who never attack, who never harms the worms that is generally found in the fields, that is under the earth. For the old fellow was patient and kind to everything that had life, and often turned up a sword on purpose to give food to the birds. And this old fellow supposed to be very kind to each and every creature that has life. It is not only the dog that they had their sympathetic natures, their sympathetic behavior. They had this kinds of behavior with all creature which has life. One day the dog came running to him, putting his paws against his legs and motioning with his head to some spot behind. One day what happened? The dog came running to the master and put his paws on the leg of his master and indicating something, but the master did not understand. He did not estimate what the dog want, because it's the nature of the dog. They when you we take the dogs outside, they sometimes going very far away and come near and starts crying and barking. All the behavior, it was natural, but this time it was something strange that the dog came and started doing this kinds of activity. The old man at first thought his pet was only playing and did not mind it. So the master understood that there is nothing special, so he did not pay attention at all towards this. But the dog kept on whining and running to and fro for some minutes. But the dog started doing this activity time and again. He was coming to the master again and again, and just scratching on the earth. The old man followed the dog a few yards to a place where the animal began to lively scratching. After some times, the the dog did not stop and started coming time and again. This time the master did not stop himself. He came running and and he followed the dog. And after sometimes what he saw, that the dog was scratching something on the earth, but master understood that there must be something as a food for him. And students, that dog has the very most powerful thing, that is supposed to be the power of a smell. He has the strongest power of a smell. The dog has, they understand with the sense of a smell they have, that what is something, if there is something hidden, thinking it was possibly a buried bone or bit of fish. But the old man understood that maybe something bone or a bit of fish. The old man stuck his hoe in the earth, when lo, a pile of gold gleamed before him. But it was not the bone, it was not the bit of fish, it was something different that he expected, that the old man expected. It was beyond his expectation. And what was there hidden? That was a pot of gold hidden inside the earth, that was there. And he became very happy looking towards this pot. It is the nature of the dog that whenever they see something strange, whenever they see something uneasy, uncanny, they want to just indicate their master, tell their master with their body language. That the dog wanted to tell each and everything to the master, but at last the master paid attention and he came to that place and found a pot of gold to him. Thank you.